Excuse me, do you know where Esvyasa is? You want to go to Esvyasa?
Yeah, we're going that way. Come with us.
Actually, I was very confused while seeing the map. Where is it actually?
From exit A of Pattanagara metro station, if you walk 50 meters on Bangalore-Mysore road, you'll reach Sattva Global City.
From here, Esvyasa deemed to be university is just walkable distance.
Hey, the buggy is here. Come, let's have a seat. You know that building over there? It's the admin block.
So this is where all the student services and administrative function take place.
The campus feels so clean and peaceful.
That's because Esvyasa is built on eco-conscious values and is inside of a 100-acre IT Tech Park campus.
The university also follows several green initiatives to reduce its ecological footprints.
This is where students often come and relax to the sounds of water. Guys, this is the academic block, and over here you'll find classrooms for all courses. The classrooms here are equipped with state-of-the-art facilities and provide a dynamic learning environment.
So this is the computer lab.
The library here is well stocked, and it also meets the research needs of both faculty and students. It also provides a quiet study space for students.
I'm a little hungry.
Then we are at the right place.
The canteen here serves freshly prepared food and also offers a welcoming dining space.
What are all these buildings?
This campus is surrounded by a lot of companies. So over here we have LTI Mindtree, Capgemini and Sonata as well.
And what happens in this building?
So in this building, courses like robotics, cybersecurity, electronic engineering, EV tech and quantum computing are taught.
And for students to gain practical knowledge, we also have labs for the same in this building.
Okay, wait. UID is here?
Yes, let's check it out.
This is a great place for students who want to build a career in design.
At SVYSA, a lot of focus is given on sports so that students can develop their competitive spirit and also discover their athletic abilities. The hostel rooms here are spacious, hygienic, and designed for comfortable student living, providing a safe, supportive environment that truly feels like a home away from home. Guys, this road, it leads to RR Nagar. From academics and research to wellness, sustainability, sports and industry exposure, SVYSA deemed to be university offers a holistic learning experience where growth goes beyond the classroom.